moving to Nichols Hills. My name is Kinsley Hauser and I'm a local realtor in the Oklahoma City Metro, and I love getting to help people every single day and helping them find their dream homes. If you're looking to move to Oklahoma City, Nichols Hills, one of the other suburbs, please feel free to reach out to me because I would love to be able to help you with your move as well. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through a luxury home tour right here in the heart of Nichols Hills. Nichols Hills is the wealthiest city within Oklahoma, and it's kind of its own little city within Oklahoma City. As you drive through Nichols Hills, you will see very large houses, beautiful houses, and a lot of character within. In this house, you're gonna kind of see a mixture of modern and industrial, but it all comes together really nicely. It's listed just under $1 million. It's got 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, a little secret room that I'm gonna show you at the end, and it's got a lot of fun features. Again, like that secret room, like a really nice outdoor entertaining space, the wine fridge with a little kitchenette, really open concept floor plan, and I really think you're gonna love it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this home tour. Okay, so we're gonna start here on the front porch, and as you can see, there are some high vaulted ceilings here on the front porch, which really makes it a nice, even entertaining space to sit out on the porch and kind of watch the traffic go by, and so that nice light fixture as well. And then you've got this glass window in the front, which I don't always love, but I like it here because you're not walking into a main living area, you're walking into what they have staged as a really nice open formal dining room, really large. You could fit a huge table in here, already a big table, but looking at those seats over there, you could definitely add even more in here if you needed to. So you walk into this room, and then right here to the right, you've got just a nice little cloak closet. And then when you come that way, when you go that way, you're gonna see your living areas. But if you come this way, you have your extra bedrooms, which I think is nice to have them separated. So here you have this front room, really nice, pretty windows, letting in lots of natural light. And you actually have 2 closets. So you have a good sized closet here, and then you've got another little closet over there. And then when you come out, you've got kind of this little space with some storage. And then you've got another bedroom, which is definitely got a lot of purple for sure, but it's got some cute little built-ins, nice windows looking out the backyard. And then you've got your closet over here. And definitely a purple room. But again, nice little built-in. You could almost even do like a Murphy bed there if you wanted, or you could put a bed there, but super cute. And then you come into this bathroom, which really isn't even the bathroom that guests would use if they were over, but this is just kind of the bathroom for those 2 rooms. So you've got cute little tile, you've got the toilet, and then a tub, your sink with some nice countertops, some nice built-ins on the side, big window, and then of course some natural light with this beautiful window overlooking the back patio space. And then when we come out of there, we're gonna walk back through here, back through our big open dining room, which again has those vaulted ceilings with a beam, which are beautiful. And when we turn this corner, you're gonna kind of take a peek at this little kitchenette area with the wine fridge, and then you kind of get a big overview of the kitchen, the living area, and then again, this little bar area over here with this wine fridge. You've got this little keg stand here with some really pretty glass shelving, which I think is nice because they didn't put the glass shelving in where it's most like over here where you would want to hide stuff, but they did it over here where you might want to display some of your nicer glasses and that sort of thing. So I think this is a cute little feature added to this house. Through that door is the 2-car garage. But then again, over here, you have your nice kitchen. So you've kind of got this pantry here that they have built in with some of those pull-out shelves. And then this waterfall edge on the island is really beautiful with your sink here in the middle. Then you've got these pretty blue cabinets on the bottom, and then the cream cabinets on the top. I like the 2-tone. And then just a nice touch of open shelving. Again, not so much to where you need to store everything and then everybody can see your stuff, but kind of just enough to kind of do your pretty stuff there. You've got a gas range, and again, that vent hood. And then I like this gold hardware. Makes it a really classic look. You got your microwave, which is hidden down here, which is really nice. And I like how they took this countertop and ran it up the backsplash. Gives it a really seamless look, which is also really nice and easy to clean. And then of course you have your ice maker, which I love when houses have the built-in ice makers. So here's just kind of another look at your kitchen with your dishwasher there. As we come through here, kind of give you another look of the kitchen as we flip back around, but really nice space, really nice size. And I love how it's very open, it doesn't feel crowded. If you had big parties, you could even like add a table over here if you needed to. And then of course, as you come through here, you've got these nice big sliding glass doors, big windows in the back, more vaulted ceilings in here, and then a really nice living space right through here. You notice that there's this beam here, but they did a really good job of tying it in with the rest of the house that you really don't even notice it. And then again, you can look at this outdoor space. I think it'd be so nice to open these doors and really have indoor, outdoor living. Then you've got this really pretty fireplace here. It's got the gas there for it. Really pretty, nice big TV. And again, just a really nice space. Through here, we're gonna have your master suite and then also your laundry room right here. Not huge, but I think it definitely serves its purpose and has some good storage. And then you have a half bath here, which is super nice. So if you're entertaining or anything like that, your guests can come use this bathroom. So a nice little pocket door, just kind of tucked away, but very practical for what you need. Again, super easy access to your main living spaces. And then through here is your master suite, but you do have a little bit of storage over here, which is nice, I think, just for towels, sheets, that sort of thing. But then again, we come through here to the master suite. You've got your own door out here to the patio, which I think is really nice. You've kind of got your own little space, so if you wanted to have maybe some seating, you could. And then I love this accent wall here with the bed, and I'll actually show you that door in a second, but really nice tall ceilings with natural light there, but then also, of course, these huge doors here. You've got some can lights, but then also the really pretty light fixture, and then you've got this fireplace here. So it's definitely a really nice size room. If you didn't want to have the seating here, you could do some sort of dresser. I don't know that you need it though, because when you come through here, you have your master bath suite, and you've got some good storage here for towels and things. And then you've got that floating vanity, 2 sinks, his or her sinks, with some cute little industrial lights up there. And then when you turn this way, you have your walk-in shower with that waterfall shower head. And then again, more storage there. And then you've got your little toilet room. And then one of the best parts is you have 2 separate closets. So like I said, you might not really need that dresser, but you do have one closet here that has a window which lets in a lot of natural light, good storage, good dresser built-ins. And then this way you have the other closet, which I think is a little bigger, has a little more space, a little more built-ins. I love all those. But then what's also unique about this closet is you have a door that leads out into the garage. So if you wanted to kind of leave for the day without everybody knowing and waking everybody else up in the house, you can sneak out really quickly there without, waking up the rest of the house. So here's another view. Again, I love this. There are some more lights. I just didn't turn those on. I kind of like the cozy look that it gives right here. But of course, if you're getting ready in the morning, you can turn on some brighter lights. So like I said, I wanted to show you this door, and this is actually a secret room. So if you have this shut, it just perfectly blends in. So let me show you kind of that view again. So when you come in, you have, your master bedroom. You'd have no idea that there's a whole other area behind here. So you come through, it's very seamless. I mean, you could barely tell at all. They did a good job of working it in here with the board and batten, but then you come through and you have this secret, I think more industrial style room. You have the staircase that takes you up to a little loft, but then you've got this little living area that they made it, huge windows. None of the lights in here are on. I left them off on purpose just to show you how bright it is with all the natural light. And then you've got this fun little ladder. You could also make this a really cute playroom, which you might not want to into your master, but the good thing is you do have access outside. So you've got that right there. And then you have this full bath here, which I like kind of how it took a little bit of a different vibe than the other bathrooms. And then this walk-in shower here. Nice window. And again, it's just so bright in here. So much natural light, so many big windows, huge, tall, vaulted ceilings. And then of course you have this door going back out to the outside, kind of taking a peek at the rest of that backyard. But I do want to go up here and just show you this upstairs loft and how cute it is. Again, it's off your master, so I don't know, you could really have a lot of different things. You could do an office. I think it would make a cute little just sitting reading nook to kind of get away from everybody and have your own little kind of private space to read, drink your coffee, whatever it is, but super cute. And then of course it overlooks down there. Coming back down here, you can kind of see another view. I love that little ladder. I don't really think it has a purpose, but it definitely adds to kind of that fun industrial feel that you have kind of coming out throughout this room. Then we come up here and we are again back in the master. I also wanted to show you this outdoor space. So you have a huge patio with the really pretty ceilings up there. You've got the fireplace. You could definitely do a couch or a table, maybe both, and have a really nice outdoor living space. And then of course you've got your backyard with the bedroom there, and then that little secret room area right there. So nice little backyard space with some trees, and again, really pretty, nice space looking right into your living area. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you enjoyed getting to just look through what one of the houses in Nichols Hills looks like. This is a beautiful area, beautiful homes, and this is an absolutely beautiful house. If you like it, if you're interested in this one, feel free to reach out to me. If you're just looking to move to the Oklahoma City area, I'd love to be able to connect with you and potentially work with you and help you find your dream home. So again, thank you so much for watching to the end of this video, and I will catch you in my next one.